Welcome to the tutorial for Whichit's Microsoft Dynamics 365 integration. Today we will show the concept and value of the Whichit platform with the Microsoft Dynamics 365 integration. Before we start, a quick reminder of Whichit's value proposition. Whichit is an interactive commercial content platform that enables brands and advertisers to increase user engagement, open new revenue streams, and gain actionable insights. Visual interactive commercial content can be distributed across any digital channel, delivering high engagement, converting traffic to revenue, and reporting actionable insights. For this example, we will take a retail car brand that wants to increase their sales by inviting potential clients for a test drive. Using the unique Whichit ad unit, the brand engages with a wide audience via naturally interactive content that directly asks users for their preferences. A series of fun, interactive questions form a one-to-one conversation between the business and the end user. First question, second, and so on. At the end, a Whichit Engage card provides the user with feedback suited to their needs. The Whichit unit recognizes a potential client and invites them to leave their details for a future test drive. As you already know, Whichit can be distributed to any digital channel, native on-site, social channels like Facebook and Twitter, banners on the Google Display Network, email marketing, WhatsApp, and more. All data points and leads collected by the Whichit unit are transferred in real time to Microsoft's Dynamics 365 to continue the sales funnel, close the loop, and enrich brand knowledge with rich data and actionable insight for remarketing and market research. Now let's have a look at the Microsoft Dynamics 365 dashboard where we can see our lead has arrived. Here we can see that we've successfully captured the new lead's contact details, their budget for a new vehicle, the choices they've made, and when they plan to buy. With this preference data, our car brand is now able to make an educated call to their new lead and book a test drive. Additionally, for every single Whichit post, Whichit is collecting over 60 different data points in order to better understand the user preferences and create segmentations. All of these can be transferred to Microsoft Dynamics 365 for BI, insight, and market research purposes. Extended parameters can also be sent to Dynamics 365, including lead quality, estimated value, level of need, full contact details, and much more, delivering qualified leads to your existing CRM. If you'd like to learn more and want to supercharge your Microsoft Dynamics 365, please contact us and we'll be very happy to assist you.